Here's all the different burrs that we use here in the dental office. You might be wondering, why the heck is there so many? It's because each one does something slightly different. If you want to smooth out the tops of the teeth, you might be using one of the flat ones. If you want to create this little divot, if there's a big cavity, you can use one of these ones. If you just want to smooth it out at the end, you might use something called a white stone, and that is why there's so many. There's like hundreds of different burrs that you can use. We use here about 12 burrs total in our offices. That's what all the docs use. Everybody uses the same ones, but there is a ton of them.